on a one-for-one basis. Yung pong PEP with regards to nuclear power, 4 plants by 2050 is the most expensive way to develop nuclear. Sabi po ni Mohammad Al-Hamadi, His Excellency, na ang pinakamurang paraan sa paglikha ng nuclear ay multiple plants per site. So, this representation would want to urge the DOE to look at a minimum aspiration of 16,000 megawatts of nuclear online by 2045 and possibly up to 32,000 megawatts of nuclear online by 2045, depending on whether a double or triple generating capacity scenario comes to pass. Yung pong CDK pump storage facility, dito po sa ating DOE